Good morning, friends. I am one of the representative of Dentodontics who has just came here to ensure everybody what's going on for the revised cutoff scene. And like many of have DM us on our Telegram group that we run in name of Dentodontics and NEET MDS counseling. We have 10k plus members in that group. Through that group we have made another revised cutoff group which have 190 plus members. I am explaining this to just summarize everybody what's going on. So short video, short YouTube podcast type video I have been pasting here. Sorry for the inconvenience with the voice, if you can tolerate it. So wanted to explain what we are doing behind the scenes. And we came up with this YouTube video also because many of the people are searching on the YouTube also about the revised cutoff news. So here we go with a short video of the revised cutoff about thing which is going on, and when the revised cutoff will come, what are the theories and all has been summarized and solved in this short video, which is not a video, which is a podcast. So here we go. See what we have been doing. We have visited DCI office, NBE office, MCC office, Health Ministry, and we have posted our drafts into those ministries, into those offices. Even DCI has now given alarming news, a PDF that we have posted in our Telegram group also, regarding that filling all the data of the students till 10th of November to their server. So which directly means that they have to finish all the counselings and all the data should be it directly means that they have to finish all the counselling by 10th of November. So they have to, so that's why many states are in rush finishing their mop-up round and stray vacancy round. Even the All India deemed universities are going with their stray vacancy counselling right now. But still the revised cutoff is not been updated by MCC. See, there are many reasons for it. Like first, two states are been there, Haryana and Karnataka, who haven't finished their first round of counselling. Since Karnataka has posted a letter to the DCI asking about extension of the details that has to be drafted to DCI for 10th of November, till 10th of November they can't finish it, and even Haryana has not even shared their schedule. And many are asking that, sir, every counselling will finish after 10th of November, how we will get the revised cutoff. See guys, what I say, it's a money ball game. See, when the private dental colleges and the deemed universities come into action, these are the money ball games. They want money. So they won't take those vacant seats to their homes. They won't give those vacant seats to their family members. So what I'm trying to say, everybody is putting pressure. But the thing is that you should need to understand it. By fighting through 4 months for the counselling, we all know how haphazard this counselling has been this year. Don't compare this counselling with other year counselling, the last year counsellings. Say, okay, so you need to understand this. You don't compare it. Don't compare this counselling with the last year counselling, with the last year cutoff. And I will give all the details about the revised cutoff, what should be there. So don't compare it with those cutoff things. Don't compare with the last year thing. So what I'm trying to say and what I'm trying to explain you all, see, many positives are there, many signs are there, the revised cutoff will come. See, deemed universities, private colleges, many vacant seats are there. Even in the mop-up also, if they arrange, same candidates are there. If they wanted to take those seats, they would have taken in the first and second round, even in the mop-up round. So doing now, just MCC has posted 2 new notices, one about the stray vacancy and second about the list of the candidates that are eligible for the stray vacancy. See, all those candidates, if they wanted to take the seats, they would have taken in the mop-up round, in the first and second round. Now the seats are vacant. That means these people are not eligible. These people are not willing to take those seats. And the second thing you should understand, the main fact of the funda is deemed university, private colleges are putting pressure on DCI. DCI is also putting pressure over NBE. Now NBE has to take that revised cutoff permission from the ministry, and now the ministry is the health ministry, so they are working for it. Don't get panic. Even if the stray vacancy, stray counseling gets over, that doesn't mean all the counselings is been over. If you understand last year cutoff also, when they saw the number of seats were being empty, that's why they revised the cutoff. So the revised cutoff will come, because see, Haryana and Karnataka hasn't finished their counselings. They haven't uploaded any data of their seats. That's why the revised cutoff is not coming. Because once the revised cutoff will come, it will be affected, it will be allowed for all the states that are having the dental counselings. So that's why I'm saying, don't get panic. The revised cutoff will come. That's why we are helping, and we are fighting since 15 days. We have posted a lot of drafts. Even the college principals have visited DCI office regarding this, and many other private colleges, deemed universities are in talk with it, because they want to fill their seats. They won't take those seats at home. That's why I'm trying to explain everybody. So that's why we have came with a voice message about why still the revised cutoff will come even after stray vacancy or stray counselling is been over. There is no rule in NBE or in MCC or DCI or in All India Dental Counselling that another counselling cannot be held if the seats are vacant. Okay, so they will arrange another counselling, as lots of seats will be there vacant after the stray counselling also. Now this is the news about revised cutoff. It can come prior stray counselling till Monday also, upcoming Monday also, or it can come after stray counselling also. Now this is about the thing why the revised cutoff will come, and these are the positive points. And one of the main point is they won't take those empty seats their home, as already crores of rupees are on the line. So these are the money ball games. Now second thing, people are asking what about the revised cutoff. Even I will make you understand the draft that DCI have sent to the all dental colleges on 28th of October. Is in that last page also they have mentioned they have to give per seat 10 candidates list, and according to it they had to give the list till 20,000 rank. Okay, so all the 20,000 K rank will be eligible once the revised cutoff comes, because that number isn't being fulfilled by the dental colleges about it. So that number still remains vacant. They have to send the number of candidate list, almost 10 candidates per seat, but they are not getting fulfilled by the cutoff that has been released by the NBE. So they have to revise to fulfill that also. Now, second thing, what's the cutoff will be? See, don't compare it with last year, as this year the cutoff was not that high as compared to last year. So the cutoff will go down. Okay, and every time there has been a rule that 3 times the number of seats the candidate should be. So the total number of MDS seats are 6,500. So the total seats should be there. Total candidates should be eligible till 19.5K rank to 20K rank. Now count it till what number that cutoff can go. So might be it will be till 190 marks. It can be. Like hopefully it should be. Because till then the 20K rank people can come under it. Okay. Don't compare it with the last year, because last year the cutoff was too high. That's why the revised cutoff came till 220. Okay. So that's the main funda about the revised cutoff, and the revised cutoff marks, everything has been concluded. Don't lose hope, guys. Still the revised cutoff will come if the stray vacancies still get over, stray counseling gets over. So that's all for today. We will come with more videos, with more podcast of revised cutoff updates. So stay tuned with this channel. No, this channel has not been created to earn subscribers, just to make you aware. We felt like creating this video was necessary through a voice, so we created it. Hope you got a lot of information, and still the hope is there, and still the revised cutoff will come after stray counseling gets over also. Before that also it can come, after that it will surely come, because all the vacancies they won't take it at home. That's the main reason. So just stay chill, don't get depressed, don't get in anxiety, and stay calm and stay blessed.